today's test. Did you study, Becca?
Psh, no, who has time for studying?
What? Then how are you gonna pass?
That's easy. Come closer and I'll show you. I wrote my cheat sheet on my nails.
Whoa, but could you even read that?
Of course I can. I have a magnifying glass. Now there's no way I'll fail.
Whoa, that's so cool.
Quiet down, everyone. You guys have till the end of class to finish your tests. And remember, no cheating.
Yes, Professor.
Cheating isn't good.
Aha!
Professor, I can explain.
Oh yeah? Go ahead and explain then. I'm listening.
I was having trouble reading the questions, so I used the magnifying glass.
Nice try, Becca, but I see the cheat sheet on your nails. You failed this exam. Now get out of my class.
But Professor!
Out now.
You shouldn't cheat in class.
Look, Becca, isn't my necklace beautiful?
Yeah, where did you get it?
I spent all night looking for it at the jewelry store.
Huh? All night? Did you remember to study for the test today?
Huh? We have a test today? What am I gonna do?
Ooh, don't worry, Lily. I'll help you figure something out before Professor comes back. Lily, take off your necklace.
Okay. Here, but be careful with it.
We can use your necklace to hide a cheat sheet. Just put a cheat sheet on the back of the necklace. Now you can use this on your test.
Thanks, Becca. You're a genius.
Sorry I'm late, class. I ran out of copies. Here's your test. You have until the end of class. Lily, what are you looking at?
Just my necklace, Professor. Isn't it pretty?
It is, but don't get distracted. Pay attention to your test.
Okay, Professor. That was close.
Everyone, put all your electronic devices away.
But Professor, I need to keep my watch.
Why, Lily?
Because I time myself. I'm trying to set a new record.
It looks like a normal watch. That should be fine. But I got my eyes on you.
Okay, Professor. Perfect. Now I can use my cheat sheet.
Whoa, Lily, is that a cheat sheet? Will you share with me?
Shh, quiet down, Becca. This is my cheat sheet. If you wanted to cheat, bring your own.
Fine, I guess we'll just have to tell Professor you're cheating then.
We know.
Professor!
Huh? What is it, Becca?
Lily has a cheat sheet.
No, she's lying.
I don't see anything.
It's under her watch. Look!
Lily, no cheating in my class. Now you owe me a full essay about cheating.
Perfect. Now's my chance. I hid my cheat sheet in this tape.
Whoa, Lily, hiding your cheat sheet in tape? That's pretty smart.
Yeah. Hurry up and give it back to me before Professor sees.
Actually, I was thinking maybe I can use it.
No way, it's mine.
Fine, I'll just have to tell Professor.
Wait. Fine, I'll let you use it, but just hurry.
Haha, thanks for the cheat sheet.
I have to get back at her for taking my cheat sheet. I have the perfect plan. Hey, Professor!
Yes, Lily?
Becca is cheating. She has a cheat sheet in her tape.
Huh? Becca, are you serious? Becca, you know better.
Professor, I was afraid that's Lily's tape.
Stop lying and go to the principal's now. Make sure you finish before the end of class. Huh? Lily, do you really wear glasses now?
Yeah, I lost my contact lenses.
I see. Good luck on your test.
Thanks, Professor. Psst, Becca, do you need help on the test?
Yeah, but I don't want to get in trouble.
Don't worry, just use my glasses.
Whoa, thanks, Lily.
Huh? Lily's not wearing her glasses. What is the meaning of this? Aren't these Lily's glasses?
Yeah, they are.
Lily, this is unacceptable. Go to the office now. And you're going to the office too, Becca.
Huh? Why do I have to go?
Hello? You were cheating with these glasses too.
Oh, man.
I really expected more from my students.
Oh, I'm so nervous about this test.
Huh? Test? What are we gonna do?
I don't know. I have an idea. We just need to use both our poppets together.
Huh? But how's that gonna help on our test?
Well, we just need a cheat sheet. Just put it in between the poppets. Now it just looks like poppets on the desk, but there's a cheat sheet in between them.
Wow, you're a genius, Lily.
I know.
All right, class, ready for our test? Huh?
What's wrong, Professor?
You know puppets aren't allowed. Hand them over.
Man, I forgot.
Now how are you gonna pass the test?
Well, you two should have studied.
Yeah, we know.
Leave your backpacks here at the door. You only need one pencil.
Here you go, Professor.
All right, not so fast. I know you have cheat sheets, now hand them over.
What are you talking about?
Now go sit down.
Fine.
Do you have any cheat sheets?
Of course not, Professor. See?
Go have a seat.
Thanks, Professor. Huh? Oh no, it looks like Lily's having a hard time on her test. I'll help her. I just need to put the rolled up cheat sheet and as an eraser. Psst. Lily, here.
Huh? A pencil? How's that gonna help?
Take out the eraser.
Wow, now I'll totally pass the test. Thanks, Becca.
No problem. Good luck.
Oh, I don't know the answer to this question. Oh! I'll just look up the answer.
Lily, put your phone away or I'm gonna keep it next time.
Sorry.
Don't let it happen again.
Yes, Professor. How am I supposed to sneak my phone past Professor? Oh! I'll just tape it under my desk. Now I'll just use it under my desk.
Huh? What's going on with Lily?
Professor, I can explain.
I don't care. No cheating with your phone. Hand it over.
Fine.
Now focus on your test. Hi everyone!
If you guys like our video, leave a comment down below.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye!